In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a create balanced routing rule using Unity admin command line utility. Create balanced option is used to submit writes to only one of the managed Teradata systems. The Teradata system selection is balanced among the list of managed Teradata systems. Sign in to Unity admin using Unity username and password. I use the routing update command to create a new routing rule called as rule 4. Read is configured to go against Astro and Chili with no specific order. Write is configured with create balanced option. In create balanced, ordering of Teradata systems, for example providing Astro first and then Chili, or providing Chili first then Astro, doesn't matter. As usual, we use the user update command to associate the user mstr_user3 with rule 4. The 3 wildcard characters are for account string, role and profile. And then I do a simple check to see if the rules are added to the routing list and users are added to the user mapping list. I would like to verify from the viewpoint portal if the routing rules and user mappings are reflected correctly. So click on the Unity configuration tab and then the session routing tab. Select the routing rules option. We can see that all the options we provided in the command line Unity admin utility appear accurately. Click on the user mappings option and you can see that mstr_user3 is associated with rule 4. Now I'm going to show you an example using the create balanced option. In this example, we'll see that when a create statement is executed in a Unity session, which is constrained by the create balanced routing rule, the create request is sent to only one of the Teradata systems. So in this example, the create request will be sent to either Astro or Chili. Whether it is going to be Astro or Chili is determined by Unity, and it uses a balanced approach. You can see that a BTEC session is open to Unity. Gluon is the Unity server name here. This session is opened by mstr_user3, which is associated with a create balanced routing rule, rule 4. Let's execute a create table statement and see what happens. I'm also going to populate some records into this table so that we can query the results. I'm going to switch over to the Teradata administrator window for the Unity server Gluon and query the newly created table and see if all the records are populated correctly. Looks good. Let's connect to Astro, which is one of the backend Teradata systems managed by Unity. Notice that table ABC is not available under mstr_user3. Unity did not choose to create the table under Astro. Instead, the table must have been created under Chili, which is the other Teradata system managed by Unity. So now we are connected to Chili and we can see that table has been created under mstr_user3. We can also query the results. This example very well showcases the create balanced routing rule, as we can see that no specific order was followed during table creation, unlike the create preferred routing rule where create statements are directed to a specific Teradata system. I would like to show you one last proof of the result of this create balanced routing rule example. You can search for mstr_user3 database in table health under Unity director in the viewpoint portal, and you will see that table ABC is active under Chili.